know, I look like trash right now. I haven't taken a shower. Look at this. Like, I'm just not looking. I'm not saying I ever do, but I'm looking pretty rough right now. I need to wash my hair too. See, this is my pet peeve right here. You see, I wish I could show you where this car is. He is parked or stationed right where the crosswalk is. Those people should go to jail. People, I was, you know, I was a walker for so long. Because I just got this car less than a month ago. I really do try to be very cognizant of people who are either walking or on their bicycles, because it's rough, man, especially when it's snowing or raining. Really? Oh, come on, dude. I swear to God. I do apologize, you guys. I do not mean to be vulgar. It's just not my style, you know. But when I drive and I have the displeasure of encountering idiots, I do feel some type of way. I don't mind it. Listen. The fact that it's raining and it's cold is what has me feeling. It's just some type of way. God. And you can tell, like, I just turned 30, this past November. And there's this term in Spanish that's chavorruco. So chavorruco is really a combination of two words. Chavo, which is, you know, like a, not a kid, but not like a young person. And ruco is old person, it's slang. So there's this terminology that we know. He's a chavorruco. He's like a young person, but he's old too. People who are in their 30s. So I just came into the chavorruco stage of my life. A lot of things have really started to bother me that did not bother me before. Like, oh, I don't know, idiots. You know what, this is not gonna work. I'm trying to look for my, please don't tell me I left them at home. I did not leave them at home. Come on, man. Oh, here they are. So I'm gonna make a move. This is gonna be complicated. Not complicated. Because, you know what? Even though I can't see, people are really retarded, really insist on acting retarded today. So I want to make sure I see every single millimeter of their stupidness so I can act accordingly. Well, what's an appropriate speed though for cruise control? I set it at 43, but maybe that's too high. Maybe that's too not high. Like, what do you guys think? Change lanes soon. I have to get violent. Move. Not now though. Now I'm gonna have to change lanes like soon. Oh my God! I am so sorry for my. And then you know what? You turn on your blinkers. And you're telling people, yo, I need to pass. Why do they purposely like speed up? It's not gonna. You're not gonna. And I hate getting all, I don't want to say violent, but just imposing, like, move. But people are really inconsiderate. Not inconsiderate, it's just rude. When I see a person turn on their blinker, right? Indicating, hey, I need to pass, I need to change lanes, whatever the case may be, I do not mind. I don't mind slowing down and fuck you. I'm just gonna. sorry. I'm not sorry. I swear to God. I do beg your pardon, you guys. I do not mean to be. Do I want to go here? No, this is not where I want to go yet. But yeah, people should be a little bit more considerate. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God, my hair. I need a shower. I need not a shower, but I need to wash my hair. I just look at this. Oh God. Anyways, look at Dios mío. Jesus, what are you doing to me? Okay, you guys, I'm back. Got my freshly squeezed orange juice. And I don't understand why people buy. I mean, I do. It's cheaper, but the taste is just 10 times more better on this freshly squeezed orange juice than it is on those Minute Maid or whatever country, whatever. Vitamin C for my little throat. I'm just gonna go to Target. I need to I really don't need to do anything. I just need to kill time, to be totally honest. It has the fiber, vitamins. My mom always says, don't let 30 minutes pass and you not drink freshly squeezed orange juice because the vitamins will go away. Is that true or not? I don't know. I still try to do it. I got the 32-ounce one just because the difference between this, in price at least, between this one and the smaller one was not that big. It's like 2 times the size. Oh my God, Jesus. These people are getting in their car beside me and they're just looking at me. And they know I'm not talking to my... They know I'm not talking to myself, but... Because they saw the camera. Not the camera, it's my phone, you guys. And they're like... I wonder what they were thinking. They just stared. People keep on staring at me. Sir, stop staring at me. I don't care if you have a BMW, sir. Sir! Sir! Oh God. I hate these things because they... the machines, they don't... Fuck me. Going in reverse like a choo-choo train so this man could park. It's not that difficult. Parking lots, the thing is, you guys, parking lots, even though narrow, they have just enough space to admit 2 cars, you know, the come and go cars, if that makes sense. People insist on driving in the middle. Really? Where's the civility in that? I'm going the wrong way. That's what I'm doing. Well, that's not civil at all. So what I'm gonna do is the following, you guys. So look at this. I'm gonna park here. I'm really gonna park here. I'm gonna wait until that car passes me. Then I'm gonna hit reverse. Jesus, Mary Angels. You think? Oh, I want a Tesla. You know, I used to think that my dream car is an Alfa Romeo. It's a Tesla. Oh shit, that was a little. Sorry, Jesus. I'm gonna have to edit this a lot. Yo, I just want to leave. I just want to leave. People, let me go. And then in parking lots, you have to be. I like to go. People are trash because they don't, but I like to be and go extra slow, because kids always have, and people always bring these little kids with them, which, I mean, granted, you're not gonna leave a little kid at home, but if you have a kid with you, make sure you grab the little kid's hand. You know, I don't. Little kids are just running around the parking lot as if it were like a playground. I don't get it. And then they're so small, sometimes you don't even see them. So I like to go like as slow as I possibly can, just in case I ever hit a kid, I don't murder him. I don't want to be a child murderer. I don't like kids, but it's not that deep for me to want to kill them.